For your flavors fully loaded nachos, you need the nacho cheese sauce, cheese and cream, vinegar, sugar and onions. For the salsa, tomatoes, red onion, coriander, chili for heat, a little bit of sugar. For the nachos themselves, nachos, chicken balls, strips of cooked pepper and bacon lardons. So we're going to make our pickled onions. We've got 2 red onions, obviously peeled, and we're going to slice them. So all I'm doing right now is cutting out the actual root, throwing that off to one side, and then slicing the onion nice and thinly. There we go, chopped up. That into a pan, and then we literally add in some vinegar, 100 grams, and sugar, about 100 grams. Give the two a swirl around onto the flame. We've got our nachos, leftover chicken bits, lardons if you will. I've got some chicken balls that you can get from the supermarket. I've got some roasted red peppers here. I'm going to put the nachos into your oven dish. Could be anything, a plate even if you wanted to. Then you can sprinkle on your garnish. And the garnish is just kind of the decorating part. The chicken balls. Could be any meat, as I said. I'm just keeping it real nice and simple and quick. That already looks amazing. Then we're going to take the roasted peppers. Now, let's have a look at our pickled onions. So they're not quite there yet because you can see the white around the actual red of the onion, and we want the whole thing to turn red so that then we can sprinkle it over the top. We also now need a salsa. Just going to take a bowl, going to cut the tomato into 4, okay, and then going to cut each of those into dice. So that's there, not looking too bad. Then we're going to take our onion and do the same again. And beautiful coriander. So we're going to take the coriander, tear it, and then just really slice it nice and thinly, and then sprinkle it in. Give that a mix, a pinch of sugar, and a pinch of salt. So now, I know that somewhere in this kitchen is a chili pepper. Let me go and find it. I didn't just find one green chili, I found 2, baby. What we're going to do is chop those up, seeds and all. So, putting that in, giving it a mix. It smells delicious, it's light, it's fresh, it's zingy. That is really good. We have our loaded nachos, but what's cheese that's not your cheese? Nacho cheese! So, we're gonna make some nacho cheese sauce. Over on the back here, I have some cream that's just coming up to the boil, and I've got some cheese. Can you hear that? Coming up to the boil. I'm gonna put in the cheese and stir. Now as that cheese starts to melt in that full double cream, we have literally made a quick nacho cheese sauce. You can place that in the oven and dinner is served.